Stainless steel. Imported. Straining lid and pour spout on rim for easy draining. 18/10 mirror finish stainless steel interior and exterior. Cool grip handle. Aluminum encapsulated base for optimal heating. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Cuisinart 719-18P Chef's Classic Stainless 2-Quart Saucepan with cover features. Induction-ready base is suitable for cooking on all stoves. Vertical bar measurement markings for ease of use. Vertical bar mirror finish. Classic looks professional performance. Vertical bar aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots. Vertical bar stainless steel cooking surface does not discolor, react with food, or alter flavors. Great for classic cooking techniques like slow simmers, rolling boils, and reduction of liquids. Vertical bar solid stainless steel riveted handle stays cool on the stovetop. A helper handle provides extra support and balance when lifting and pouring. Vertical bar rim is tapered for drip-free pouring. Vertical bar tight-fitting cover seals in moisture and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results every time you cook. Vertical bar dishwasher safe. Vertical bar lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great saucepan for induction cooktop, and others. I recently had to replace my 45-year-old professional-grade Cuisinart cookware because I replaced my gas cooktop with an induction cooktop during a remodel. I knew I wanted to go with Cuisinart because my old pans were still in amazing shape and immediately found a new home. This 2-quart saucepan is a delightful improvement over my old one. It cooks beautifully on my new induction cooktop, Bosch. I recently overcooked, lightly burned split pea soup in the pan. This would have been a nightmare in my old pan, but was a quick cleanup in the new pan. The new pan also has two new features that are great: a pour lip that make pouring sauces significantly less messy, and a strainer that enables me to quickly parboil vegetables or cook pasta and use the pan as its own strainer. I highly recommend the pan and others in its set.